Okay, 1, 2, 3.
How are you?
I just wanted to introduce you to my family because I thought it would be cool to be able to introduce, because it's important that we stick together. Family's gotta stick together, man. Right? Right. Alright, well, thank you. How's it going, Luke and Böhm family? Thank you guys for letting me talk about your son's birth chart. This video is definitely going to be closer to my heart. I really love that you guys were willing to sacrifice everything to be with your child. That's very cool. That is so cool. And that's the reason why I had to ask you if I could do his birth chart for you. So that we can all have a nice laugh about his personality. I hope you guys get a laugh or two out of this video, because I know I had a great time doing it, and thank you so much. If you haven't, subscribe, click the bell icon. I do a video a day. If you're trying to learn about astrology, it's a good investment in yourself. It's only going to take 10 to 15 minutes a day, much less usually. That's it. Just constantly doing the same thing over and over. Like making your bed. This is where we are. That's how I feel. Okay, so let's go talk about Luke's birth chart now. By the way, I took some Instagram photos from you guys' thing so that I could help with giving a better description of what I'm doing for you guys. I hope I'm not overstepping any bounds or anything. Thank you. So your Sun and Jupiter are in Leo, Luke, meaning that you're really, really prideful and passionate about being who you are, shining your bright light, yourself, everywhere, letting everyone know who you are. Leo is the Sun energy. Leo's a lion. But the Sun, if you look at the Sun, we need that. If it's too close, we die. If it's too far away, we die. We need the Sun to be in the perfect location. It needs to be treated the perfect way. That's it. And if that happens, then we thrive. Especially you thrive, because your Jupiter has to do with thriving. And that means that you thrive, to say the least. Your parents are really shining. You are becoming really bright through your parents. And I'm sure that your Leo energy is just really enjoying itself. That's very cool. Very, very, very cool. Your moon's in Gemini. Gemini is a great communicator. The two twins that talk to each other, they get to know each other so well that they know everyone really well. The twins know everyone really well. So emotionally, you're really able to communicate yourself really well. If you're feeling a certain way, if someone else is feeling a certain way, you're really good at communicating with them. And there's this sense of, oh my gosh, you get me. And that's very unique and special. Your rising is in Capricorn. Bet you're really good at sports. What kind of sports can you play, man? I'm sure you can play a bunch of different sports and you're really good at that. That's really inspiring. That's really cool, being able to play a bunch of different sports. I saw you playing basketball in somewhere. I don't remember where. I wish I had found it, but I didn't find it. If I had found it, I would have put it on this video, I swear. I think that's really cool. And the more you work at stuff, the easier it's going to be able to have whatever it is that you want. It's all about work for Capricorn rising. All about work. All about work for Capricorn rising. It is all about work. Your Mercury and Venus are in Cancer. And your parents were cool enough to take a picture of that. I thought that was really beautiful and super cool. That's how you are with your family. That's how Cancer is with their family. With their community. With the people they love. Always investing all the time they can to make the people they love happy. That is the prime goal. The main goal, number one. Number one, that's main goal number one, to take care of family and home. For Cancer, that is the most important thing ever. And you have Cancer and Mercury and Venus. And Mercury has to do with how well you communicate with people, and your Venus has to do with your relationship with people. Mercury and Venus in Cancer means that you're really nurturing and caring, and you do anything for the people you love. And so thanks for being so supportive. That's really cool, man. Very cool. Okay, dude, so you have Mars in Libra. That hit me pretty good because I was like, bro, when you guys gave me permission to do this video, I went through some of your Instagram stuff, okay? I couldn't help myself. And I saw a scorpion costume. I'm not sure if it was a scorpion costume, but it looked like one. And I thought that was really cool. It really fits with Mars and Libra, because Mars and Libra is really cool and stylish. And that was rocking, bro. It looked really cool. The style was all there. And I was really glad to see that. It made me smile. And last but not least, your Saturn is in Scorpio. And so maybe that's why you're attracted to the Scorpion or ninjas. Because Scorpio is a stealthy person. Scorpio, they go into the darkness and then they take whatever's in the darkness and bring it to the light. And that's their personality. And that's what ninjas do, right? They go into the dark and then they wait. And then they come out into the light. And with all their martial arts skills, they just do ninja stuff. That's about it. Thank you for watching my video and letting me talk about your birth chart, Luke. And Böhm family, thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. You guys are really cool. You deserve to stay with your family. And I'm super glad to have heard about you choosing your family over work. That was really inspiring. And the fact that you're letting me do this video is also really inspiring. So just thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Check out my website. I have a course that I'm offering to develop a spiritual connection with others by using astrology that I think you'd love. There's also Patreon. You could definitely register for that, and I could coach you through some astrology. But whatever you do, just make sure it's consistent. You could even watch a video a day, like I'm posting a day. You could definitely do that too. Just do whatever makes you comfortable. All you guys, stay blessed, and thank you.